Hello, welcome back. We are in look number 2, showing Bitte Kai Rand's Autumn Winter 21 40-year anniversary collection, and I am dying to show you this gorgeous second look. So I have stayed in the same pants from the first look, which are the Garcon twill trousers, 100% cotton. They have the zip pocket on the thigh, and they have pockets on the sides, classic kind of trouser closure, button and zip, belt loops, tapered shape going down into this gorgeous deep cuff at the ankle. So these are my new favorites, and I'm going to be styling them with absolutely everything this year. But for the second look, I have shown them here with this pinstripe shirt of absolute dreams. This guy is one of the key pieces in the range, and you are going to see it in an oversized as well, so you can do both shapes, oversized style or more tailored style. So I'm showing you the tailored style here. This is like a little fitted cotton shirt. It has darts at the bust line. As you can see, the print, the stripes have been designed where they go in at the sides here, down into these little panels, just creates a gorgeous shape. They have their signature mother of pearl buttons, and it is really all about the neckline in this shirt. It is so pretty. It has this extra high collar at the front here, and double button, so you can play around with that. I have seen it styled down as well, or tucked in as well, but I am adoring the fact that you can see this shape. And when I put the jumper, the gammon knit, which I will be wearing over this, you will see how this really comes into its own and just frames the face and adds a beautiful detail. So just adoring this shirt. So just to tell you what is in it, and it's black and white stripe, by the way, in case it's not coming across on the screen like that. So it's 100% cotton. You do have a little bit of stretch in it as well, even though it is cotton. I am in the small here, so as you can see, it's a nice fitted darted shape down the back as well. You have curved sides, covers the bum, comes down. So this is unusual for me to do a kind of volume on the pants and then keeping a piece out long, but the reason that I'm able to do that is because the shirt is fitted, so you're still seeing the waist definition, and then you're just going with that extra little bit of length. I have unbuttoned the last 2 buttons, or one button, just to kind of hint at where the waistline is even more, so just to get that extra emphasis here. You could actually add a belt, a wrap obi style belt, if you wanted to add even more definition, but I kind of like it out kind of effortlessly simple like this. Just so comfortable to wear, so soft. The cotton in it is absolutely gorgeous, and as I say, it's really all about that neckline. So I've added on top this brand new beautiful necklace from Corona Silver, another from their reversible adjustable line. So you have your double strand with your little heart tabs, and you can pull those and make it shorter or longer accordingly. So versatile. Just take in the print here. It is incredible and works so well with the Bitte Kai Rand collection. It has that kind of edginess, that grungy vibe that I love to bring in with the black and white. So you have a silver ball going down into 2 segments. One is plain black and one has this kind of cracked pendant appearance, and then it's just plain on the back, so you get the choice of wearing whichever side you prefer and whichever length you prefer. And this guy is $69. Brilliant price for something like this. A really beautiful Irish made jewellery design. I love Corona Silver. Their pieces are always so different, and it's light to wear. It is not heavy. I know a lot of these pieces might look like, oh my god, it's a ton on, but really when you put them on, you will see, and I know this is the feedback from customers as well, that every time they pick it up, they're like, oh, I thought it was going to be way heavier. So it's just done really well, and I love that it sort of harmonizes with the outfit here, because it would be hard enough to do a more traditional kind of metallic necklace, I think, in with this collection because it is so different and funky and kind of that cool casual vibe. Doesn't really lend itself to, you know, a classic metallic or jewel piece. So having that kind of edginess just brings it all together. I love it. Who remembers, like, oh, I don't know, 3 or 4 seasons ago, there was the Opal Cracks set from Bitte Kai Rand. It was like a tracksuity kind of material, top and matching culottes, black and white opal cracks. If you bought that, you need this necklace. I know I have it in my wardrobe, so I'm just thinking this is absolutely identical. This kind of design was in the top and bottoms. So if you bought that a couple of years ago, keep your eye out and get in and get this necklace. It is just phenomenal with it. Okay, so over the top of this, I am going to put on the most sought after knit in the collection. Already it had sold out in the shop, but I managed to get more. Thank the Lord, because you would be all giving out to me if I didn't have this. This is the Gammon knit in black and white. It has the most beautiful collar neckline. Oh, can't wait to get this on. Look at that. It just has the perfect balance with the little shirt showing. So it's like a cutaway detail at the front, almost like having a collar but in a knit, and then it has this side stitch detail in white. It's just phenomenal. So it's like the checkerboard theme is coming through again. It is warm, weighty, beautiful cotton material. Let me just tell you, it is 60% cotton, 10% wool and 30% polyamide. So it has a dipped hem, so it's slightly shorter at the front and the back. It has slits at the side here as well, so it's lovely length to cover the bum, and it just goes over the shirt so nicely. I love that you can still see the base of the shirt coming out. It just kind of frames it, and then I'll always push my sleeves back and show off the little cuff of the shirt as well, so you're getting all 3 details in one look. Going to live in this. Oh, it just feels so beautiful. It's ribbed fabric, so it kind of has a texture going on to it as well. It is just, it's like having a beautiful jumper with extra special detail, having that all down right from the neckline all the way down the sleeves. The best jumper. The one key piece I think that will work with absolutely everything because of its length and overall shape. And as you can see, it works really nicely with the little pop of colour on the cowl as well. So this jumper is $255. The shirt is, I'll tell you, $155. The pants are $235, and the necklace is $69. So look, we are in the high-end luxury pricing of the boutique. This is the most expensive label in the shop. But when you buy Bitte Kai Rand, you will understand why. The quality is just phenomenal. It lasts you an absolute lifetime. You really don't need to buy much else if you have some pieces from Bitte Kai Rand, because they're so versatile, they're so comfortable, they wash like a dream. They're stylish, but they're timeless, so they really do stand the test of time. Even stuff that I have from 5-6 years ago, I would wear 100% today. They don't really go in for massive trends, even though they still do have their finger on the pulse of what's happening. But it's like a classic with an edge. Just seeing my necklace, I want to pop that back on again, and then you can see the detail will come through with the black as well. Love it. Love having the crack to the front. I think that will probably be how I'll do it, and it kind of looks like it's almost just levitating in the middle there. Might bring it out a little bit longer. Perfect. Oh my god, this is me to a T. You're going to see me in this all winter long. So again, I have just stayed in the chunky boot, and I think this look really works with a chunky boot best. If you wanted to do like a Converse-y type or a Chelsea boot, perfect. So this is the Cooney leather boot with the white stitching, no lace, and it just works really well with this kind of styling all together. You could bring in, of course, the colour, the yellow moss colour. You could layer with your jumper the little turtleneck from the first look if you didn't want to do the shirt. But I have to say the shirt works particularly well with this particular jumper and the trousers all together. So that's look number 2. I'll be back with the third one very soon. See you in a bit.